Hello everyone, and you're watching Dondon Park, your choice, my vlog. So guys, I have here PR products from Shop Ammoun, an online shop based here in Doha. So last week nagpunta kami ron sa headquarters nila, and then nag-tour kami and live ang Filipino vloggers in Qatar doon. So before natin i-unbox at i-haul tong PR products, panoorin muna natin ang ganap nung nagpunta kami ron sa Shop Ammoun headquarters. Guys, andito na ako sa Shop Ammoun warehouse or headquarters nila. And papunta ako sa taas ng storage room nila. I'm together with Mariam, so nagbo-vlog din. Ito yung storage area nila ng second floor.
Actually, it's not
which is a dress for kids, bags.
This is what we have.
Ayan. The other side, mga dresses for ladies. For parties. Sa other side is mga polo. Mga polo din, mga pang school supplies. Mga bags for kids also.
Time to go to malls to shop. Some of you might do it, and that is why we opened this company, because we want to be at your service. So whatever you need, give us a buzz anytime, 24/7. We will deliver to your doorstep.
Yay!
Okay, thank you so much.
So this is this is how they pack your items, guys. So for example, this bag. So they are using this very unique paper here. See, guys, very elegant. And I think this wrapper is just like the branded
Yes.
Chanel.
Like
yeah,
Chanel.
branded products like Chanel products. That's how this paper looks like. It's so nice.
أفراد العائلة جميعا مرحب فيكم مرة ثانية بشوب عمون، وأهلا وسهلا فيكم مرة ثانية. طبعا على الويب سايت www.shopammoun.com and Shop Ammoun on Instagram and Shop Ammoun Facebook.
Translate what Mr. Sam.
Yeah, translate.
Yeah, what in English?
Fine. My name is Ahmed. So here in Shop Ammoun, we'd like to welcome you again. We sell some nice products over here, Turkish brands, Chinese brands. So anytime you'd like to shop online, just pop up on Shop Ammoun on our Instagram page and our Facebook page.
So guys, yun ang mga ganap doon sa Shop Ammoun. And then i-open na natin tong PR products. So guys, before I start, ang kinagandahan lang dito sa Shop Ammoun, based siya dito sa Qatar, and then you will receive right away kung mag-o-order kayo sa kanila. Andyan yung Facebook page nila at saka Instagram, cash on delivery, and then yung mga product nila is from Turkey, mga made in Turkey. So alam naman natin ang mga made in Turkey, so matitibay. So let us choose what we want. So since ito yung mga nakuha ko doon na mga PR products. So okay, ang dami ko nang sinasabi, buksan na natin yung mga PR products from Shop Ammoun. Since lagi ako nasa labas, I choose power bank 10,000 mAh, and then so I have a power bank at may isang port siya, 10,000 mAh. Since lagi ako nasa labas, meron na ako magagamit na power bank. So ang next is iPhone cases. Actually hard case siya for 7 Plus. So kahit mahulog yung phone mo, hindi siya masisira kasi nga hard case. Try natin buksan. So ayun guys. Ito guys yung iPhone case. Hard case siya. So kapag malaglag, parang hindi siya pag nalaglag yung phone mo, hindi siya mababagsak siya, pero hindi siya masisira. And then syempre, kung may iPhone case, meron kang power bank. So kahit saan ka pumunta, fully charged ka. Mabibili lang to sa Shop Ammoun. And another one is it's a polo medium size polo. I mean long sleeve pala siya. Think it's a cotton polo. So may mga gamit na ako pag may mga events or may mga pang formal events dito sa Doha. Pwede ko rin siyang gamitin pang party. Long sleeve polo ng tela, cotton siya. So kahit mainit, kahit mainit dito sa Doha, hindi ka mainitan kasi nga it's cotton. Last one is, alam nyo naman kung anong favorite ko is shoes. Tsaka pala guys, ito palang parang papel na binabalot nila sa packaging. Inspired by Gucci daw to. So since logo nila yung nilagay. Ito guys, tingnan nyo yung box ng shoes. Oh, nakaka-social, nakakayaman. Doka-velin nilagay. So parang galing ng Royal Highness. Parang gano'n. Free products. So tanan, it's a leather shoes. It's a black leather shoes. Actually wala pa kasi akong ganito, kaya ito yung pinili ko doon. Meron na akong black pero hindi siya kagaya nito na makintab. Tsaka parang design niya is parang alligator design. At may free din silang ganito. Ito yung nilalagay sa pagsusutin mo, di ba? Igaganon mo siya dito. So para di ka mahirapan magsuot ng shoes pag medyo masikip sa'yo. Or nakasocks ka ng makapal. So, I love these shoes kasi nga basta yung design niya ang ganda. It's a Turkish made also. Made in Turkey. So, ang ganda niya. Oh. Leather. So, may magagamit na ito. So, ayan. Size 42. So, guys, that's all for today's vlog. Ito yung mga PR products ko from Shop Ammoun. And then, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below. So, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!
Yes!
Who's that? Oh! Okay, verified from our DTI FBQ representative. Okay.
So the last winner for 100 real voucher is
Danica Ann! Congratulations, you won 100 Qatari cash voucher. Cash voucher where you can use it right after, even now. You can shop now in Shop Ammoun and use that code. But first, you have to message Filipino vloggers in Qatar so we can give you the winning promo code. If you don't have the winning promo code, you cannot use it. I will